Hello, my dear crafters. Just look at this. Halloween is in the air. And I start my Halloween series for 2025. Today I want to show you just the Scrap Diva designs, the new release for September. Everything here is Scrap Diva designs. It's not the whole collection. I only have 4 items here and I'll walk you through all of them. But look at how amazing these are. We have this beautiful treat bag here. These are all tutorials coming up for you. And oh my gosh, look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Oops. This is one die set that you won't believe how fast you make these little coffin treat boxes. I love them. I'm absolutely in love. And I'm making some from my craft fair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this right now and show you individually the die sets and what they make. So let's do that. So we're going to begin with the Haunted House mini album die set. So that's the name. Never forget to use my coupon code so you get 10% off. And it comes with all these options of doors, and I'll show you what they look like. These are windows, whole bunch of bats, which is great. So you in one pass you get 5. So you have windows, 2 types of windows here, windows, and you have this little tiny picket fence to decorate. And let me show you how to use that. See, so this is one of the types of windows. Here's another one. I use the picket fence here, and I use the door opening because you have the option of either opening or just being straight there. On the other side, you can see the other types of windows here. So a great die set, easy in one go. You can get rid of all of this because you use the house, the haunted house, and you place everything where you want. You pass it through and you have that. So that's beautiful. I love it. And this is actually my first video of my Halloween series. I'm not just doing what I showed you today. I have more projects coming up, but that's the first one. So here's another option. You can just use the door without opening, and that's why you have two dies here. This is the door itself, like here. Or if you want to use this die set, it doesn't cut on the side, so that's why you're able to open it. So wonderful die set to have. That's what we're making, and in the tutorial I'm showing you how to make this. And the reason why I'm showing the collection now, part of the collection, is that you can get the die set. So by the time I publish my video with the tutorial, you already have it. So that's the first one that I wanted to show you. Now the second, which is one of my favorites of all times, the Coffin gift box, the treat box. So this one is called, let me see the back of it. It's a big die set, 3D Coffin gift box. So we have the bottom, this is the bottom. We have the option of decorating with this pumpkin face. We also have here, so this is the outline. Let me show you, and you can use for a shaker like this. You get an outline, a little bit more decoration with the spider and resting piece. This is the top of your box, and this is another item that you can use for decoration as well. And the cross. So you get a whole bunch of things here. It's a huge die set, the easiest thing ever to put together, and it makes this perfect box. That's here. I use the spider on this one, and bats, and I use some stickers, decorated the inside. I put the cross inside. So you have so many options, but this, I can promise you, you can make this in, I would say, 10 minutes. It's the easiest thing. Very, she made it really easy. This one, I used the outline, so I made a shaker and I used the cross on the top. So here again, you can decorate the inside. I use the spider inside. That's another tutorial coming up. So if you want to learn, get the die set, okay? And use my coupon code. So that's number 2. Let's go to number 3. And the third one is actually a stamp set that comes with the coordinating dies. And what does it make? It makes these beautiful tags. you stamp on the piece of paper, and then you cut it with these dies here. So here are some examples. You can use this as a tag, like a gift tag, but this one I made a kit, and I'm going to give this to a friend of mine who loves Halloween, but she's a big heavy reader. So this is actually going to work as bookmarks, but you can make whatever your heart desires. So that's another one. I love the sentiments. If you've got it, hunt it. I love you, to the tomb and back. Out for a coffin break, my favorite, love that. Keep calm and have a scary Halloween. We have trick or treat, and we have 6 of them. So great sentiments here. And we have a fantastic Halloween. So you can make tags very easy. You stamp it, and then you use these 2 die sets. You can either just cut it with this die set, or you can make it work like a tag, because then it adds this little hole here on the top, okay, like this. So you can add a ribbon. So that's what you do. And you know, like I always like to mix and match my tags. What I did was, from the coffin, I got this tag here, this die set. I cut 2, glued it, cut a little piece of paper here for the bottom, and here's what I'm gonna do, and that's how I'm going to gift this tag, these bookmarks, to my friend. You can use it like a holder, like this. You can actually get 2 of these in here. So that's what I'm going to do. So you can either sell it on your craft fairs as well. So it's perfect. The size is perfect to mix and match. So I used this from the Coffin box, the treat box, and I use this together, and look at that. It's a great gift to give. So that's number 3. And the last one is simple but really cool for you, to help you decorate your Halloween projects. It's called Halloween Words number 1. So they have more than one, and do check the full collection. I'll have the link below for you. And it makes all these words here. I actually used it, and let me show you. I used it in one of my treat box, treat bags. So I used Halloween on this one, and I used October 31st on this other one. So it's a great thing that they work together, they coordinate. So we have those words. You have the October 31st, you have the house, you have the Halloween that I already showed you. We have haunted, and you can use that, of course, with the house, haunted house. Wicked cute, go gang. I don't know what that means. Someone tell me, please. October 31st. So you get these words that you can use in all your projects, big or small, and it's a fantastic addition to your collection. So that is the collection, Scrap Diva Designs. Part of the collection is the collection is huge. I just have a few items here. So let me get the other 2. That's that for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and do use my coupon code Paula to get 10% off. Have a wonderful day.